Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my new tutorial. In this short video, I'll show you how to find recently deleted posts on your Instagram. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important photo or want to recover some precious content, these instructions will guide you through the steps to find recently deleted posts on this popular social network. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Then, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've done that, select the Your Activity option. After that, locate the Recently Deleted option and enter it. In this section, you'll be able to see your posts, stories, IGTV videos, and Reels clips that you've recently deleted. Only you will be able to see them. I hope these steps were helpful to you and that you successfully found recently deleted posts on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful and subscribe to the channel to stay informed about future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon with more useful information.